What's up, guys? And in today's video, I got a review of macOS Big Sur. Now this is the beta. As you can see here, I downloaded this yesterday, and so I've been using. Actually, no, I downloaded it 2 days ago. So I've been using it for 2 days now, and I'm just gonna tell you everything that I found with this beta and any issues. Whether I suggest you guys update or you guys wait till September when the official final version comes out. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this. So as you guys can see, this is the new wallpaper. I really like it. I think it's very clean. I like how it goes from like a darker red, almost purple here, and it transitions into this blue. It's very nice. I think it works really well with this new theme. And there's also a dark version of this wallpaper, as you can see here. So it's pretty much like the same exact like pattern wave things, just different colors, and that fits the dark theme. And so they've completely redesigned the interface pretty much. So as you can see here, the app icons are rounded now. I think I really like it. It definitely is more of a transition towards iOS in the sense that things are more rounded, because Apple loves to do like squares and rectangles with rounded corners. There's definitely more of that. I really like it. I think it definitely provides a more sleek, dynamic look to this operating system, and I think it really works well. If you guys want me to put out a video on iOS 14, I can do that, so let me know in the comments below. But anyways, up here, as you can see, I don't even know what to call this. I guess the top bar, there is these buttons. So this is AirPlay. As you can see, that nice rounded corner. You got sound, which is nice. I really like how they did that bar. It looks very nice in my opinion. You have Bluetooth, battery, Wi-Fi, spotlight search, and this is the new control center. So like I said, it definitely has taken many cues from iOS in the sense that, for example, control center, you've got the rounded corners. Let's say if I click on this folder, my YouTube music folder, there's this new rounded sort of look. It looks very nice, and I really like it. I think it really reminds me of like iPadOS. I think it's definitely a mix between iPadOS and macOS. It really looks good, and it just really is very fresh, I think is the word. This is the biggest redesign since macOS 10. And it definitely fits. I think it's been a long time coming, and it's definitely fresh if you're looking. So let's get into bugs. So I've been doing some testing, and I haven't found any really terrible bugs. Probably the biggest bug that I found is that the music app, it doesn't quit. I know right now it quit, but yesterday the music app just didn't quit. Like I clicked quit, and it didn't say music app not responding. It just wouldn't quit. Kind of like Finder. So that's annoying. And another glitch is that apps just randomly crash. So that's gonna happen. But apps randomly crashing, I mean, it sucks. It is very annoying at times, but you can just reopen it, and I'm sure they'll fix it. So that's not that big of a deal. As you can see here, there is this. So it's the new widgets. So it's exactly like iOS. And you can add more. So this is the calendar, reminders, weather, and stocks. If you want to edit it, you can add more. There's calendar, time, notes, world clock, and more. So yeah, I really like how Apple is redesigning this whole widgets thing. I think it looks really good, very simple. It'd be cool if you could pin widgets to your desktop. I don't think you can do that, not that I know of. But that would be really nice. I think pinning them would be very nice. And you can edit the widget too. So small, medium, large, right? Do that. But you can't pin it to the dashboard, which sucks. But that'd be very nice if you could just have like a widget like right there, widget there, widget there, Like, that'd be really good. So Apple, I don't know why Apple would be watching this video, but if you are watching this video, please do that. And yeah. So overall, I think macOS Big Sur is definitely a very good step up from Catalina. I think the developers really know what they're doing, and I would recommend getting the beta. If you are very worried and you just don't want to have to deal with the bugs that I've mentioned, then you don't have to, or you can even wait till the new beta versions come out. I will have a beta download link in the description below. So if you're interested in downloading this, or iOS 14, watchOS 7, or tvOS, whatever tvOS is on, you can download that in the description below. iPadOS is also in there. You just download the iOS link on your iPad, like download the configuration profile on your iPad, and that will be iPadOS. So if you guys want me to do a video on iOS 14 or iPadOS 14, please let me know, and I'll do one. So yeah, so that pretty much wraps up this video. And if you guys have any questions, anything, leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you watch these videos, because 99% of the people who watch my videos aren't subscribed. So if you like these videos, it just really helps with the channel subscribing, helps me to push out more content, and yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.